everybody, and welcome to Shirley here in the West Midlands. Just arrived up from Whitlock's End, one of the stations on the North Warwickshire line, which runs down eventually to Stratford-on-Avon. So I'm looking forward to having a ride along the whole line today and just explore some of the stations. So yeah, we're currently here on platform number 1. So what have we actually got then here on platform 1 to have a little look at? We've got quite a nice, almost fitting of the pier style bridge, but with the modern amenities of having a lift as well. We have got the Harrington hump, which is handy. That does help those people who maybe struggle with gaps to board and alight that little bit easier. Then we come right down the far end. Oh, got stuff to do with Shakespeare and quotes from Shakespeare things. So this one is a quote from Julius Caesar. That's good to see. We've also got a little wild area, including a bug hotel. And that is just a general view of the station from pretty much the far end of platform at number 1. It does look quite nice with the traditional canopies there. As I say, even the bridge, even though it's a bit more modern, the way they've done it, it does fit in quite nicely, really. Here I've got an outside bench here on platform 1 as well. So let's have a little wander down, see what else is going on. Right, so just by the canopy now, we've got more flowers and even something that might have been Shakespeare younger days, with another quote covered up. Got some nice wooden benches. There is a nice little waiting room, actually, which does also have the electronic tones on it. Little ticket area. And if you step outside, there is a reasonable sized car park. So what else have we got? There you got Hell Point with live departures on it, which is good. Then we have also got a self-serve ticket machine. There are contactless tapping and iPads. And a little bit of flour as well. So I reckon all the quotes here along this line, yeah, they're going to be Shakespeare. Each station may well be an individual Shakespeare play. So yeah, I reckon where we are at Shirley is probably all Julius Caesar. And it is not quite completely straight here. There is a slight curve as you come in. And that's just a view of it otherwise. It is quite a nice looking little station, actually, especially with the canopies being potentially the original ones. Right, just on the bridge crossing over from platform number 1 to platform number 2 here at Shirley. There's a big view of the station for you. As there you have got lifts with a help point next to them. So it is completely step free. In from the car park and everything. Right, here we are on platform number 2 here at Shirley. Again, you can probably already see that it is a slight curve. Ooh, bunny squirrel. You have got an outside bench. I'm not going to go all the way down. Also looks like you've got what would have been potentially traditional lighting as well. That's just a little view of Shirley Station from platform 2. Then facilities wise here, we have got, what have we got? Plenty of greenery, which is quite nice to see. Again, more stuff for Julius Caesar. So yeah, this station is definitely all to do with Julius Caesar, it looks like. Got some outdoor benches. And looks like a little bit of a disused station building. Maybe a little waiting shelter. Yeah, we are actually on the Shakespeare line here. I thought this was the Shakespeare line. Actually, quite a nice size waiting shelter here on platform 2. And it has also got in there a timetable, electronic timetable board. And we've got one there as well. Yeah, that's pretty much everything here to show you at Shirley Station. Yep, it is nice. They got the planters with the Shakespeare quotes on them. There we go. There's just a little view of Shirley Station. Yeah, it does look quite nice with the plenty of original canopies, even though they could do with a little bit of painting up and everything. Right, history of the railways here at Shirley. So as we know, it serves the Shirley area of Solihull in the West Midlands. It's situated on the North Warwickshire line, or otherwise known as the Shakespeare line. And all trains serving it are operated by West Midlands Trains, or branded as West Midlands Railway. The station was first opened by Great Western Railway on the 1st of June 1908, the same time that the line actually opened. It was considered an important station, and that's why it was provided with substantial brick-built buildings that are still standing today. There was also a goods yard here at the station, with a goods shed, and that lasted until 1968. Until October 2010, Shirley was the terminus for many commuter services from Birmingham, which did not run through to Stratford. Subsequently, those services have been extended down to Whitlock's End, and they've commissioned a new turnback facility at Whitlock's End. So that was done to alleviate traffic congestion at Shirley Station by encouraging commuters to drive to Whitlock's End, which is designated as a proper park and ride station. And quite a nice area it looks. There was a 1907 built signal box, but that became redundant, and it was demolished at the end of 2010, but there had been a local campaign to see it retain probably for heritage purposes. Service pattern here at Shirley, it's 2 trains an hour in each direction, 1 in each way, starting from and going as far as Whitlock's End. The other one goes through to either Stratford upon Avon. And the most important thing you're going to be interested here at Shirley are the passenger numbers for the last couple of years, according to the Office of Rail and Road Statistics. And in the 2023-2024 period, Shirley Station had 254,568 entries and exits, according to the Office on Rail and Road, while for 2024-2025, that figure increased to 314,972, a nice increase of 60,404. Yeah, let's give you a nice bit of tree lining behind me. Quite nice. There you go. That you might as well see a final view of Shirley Station. So yeah, I would definitely say that those canopies are potentially the original ones from going through the history. Anyway, that's everything to show you here at Shirley Station. So thank you very much for joining me today. I've come to explore this little, rather busy station, the outskirts of Birmingham and everything. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, then please remember to do all your normal good stuff, like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know what you think of the station and everything in the comments. And again, let me know in the comments if you do ever make it up to Shirley, or even if it's a station you frequently use. Anyway, until next time, I'll talk to everybody very, very soon. So yeah, from Shirley Station, choo-choo for now.